how to fix Binance withdrawal suspended. If you ever encounter this kind of error, I'm going to show you and tell you how to get this done. First things first, I have this article right here officially from Binance, which I'm going to show you. It is exactly the same problem that you are experiencing if you ever come to this video. So basically, some of the reason why this is happening is because of wallet maintenance. Now, what you are going to do is basically set a reminder if you ever experience it. For example, here, if you ever want to withdraw, you should see something like this. You can just go over and click set reminder in order for you to be informed if you can withdraw already. Now, another thing is this is how it is going to look if you're doing this one for a website or for your PC. Now, again, you can just go ahead and click set reminder in order for you to be informed. Now, reasons. Why are these happening? So, first one here that they mention is software or hardware upgrades. Binance is highly committed to ensuring the security of its platform, so having upgrades every now and then is definitely necessary. Another one is hard fork. What is hard fork? Hard fork literally means change to the blockchain protocol that is not backward compatible. So to do this, Binance has to temporarily suspend the wallet of the corresponding cryptocurrency to perform testing and setup. So that's why we are experiencing it. And another one is congestion. Crypto wallet network congestion occurs when there's a high volume of transactions on a particular blockchain network. So you're going to have to wait for that one. Another one is insufficient hot wallet balances. A hot wallet supports and facilitates all withdrawals on Binance. However, users can deposit a coin via one network and withdraw the same coin via another network on Binance, which could pose a challenge to the replenishment process. So these are some of the reasons why suspension is happening, but then again, the only solution that you can do for now is basically wait for it. So you go ahead and try to click that set reminder in order for you to be informed when you are allowed to withdraw already. And that is how you are going to get this done, everybody.